Hak jing beteng ki pulit traffic ke East Khasi Hills District ya ke jing khenra kalita yit Ïong la yo jing te banadu benai nailar arja arpusa ki la yo bantar hadu 6000 nyos pa prapu pratali ki yit Ïong bat ban lum ya ka dan kuna ka bakhat lai lak lai pusan hajar tingka bat ya kane la pentip do Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills District uba Sylvester nong tenger Habakran cikilat pathai kubor hakanok paisi jog Henry tering nailor arja arpusa uba Sylvester ulaong banaki negi basabat kumbalai potli ye kideki kali ML01 nalor kata ulaong ru bakat kum kejing batha na ki bor bahalor ki menteri nalor ki MLA ki la ban penon kam yet Ïong tang hakawai ka kali ka bagi penon kam da ka pentip bagi riu simet ki badonjing thu ban penon kam yet Ïong kin hap ban pha da ka jing tho sha ka committee bat ka shang ha ka committee ban ai jing bet halor ka ni
It may be informed that the Honorable Supreme Court of India, by judgment on writ petition NO 265 of 2011, has prohibited the use of black flames of any percentage visual light transmission on the safety glasses, windscreens, front, rear, and side glasses. Therefore, in order to uphold the direction of the Apex Court, the Shillong Traffic Police has been conducting vigorously checking against the use of black flames and thus detected 1,788 cases and realized the amount of 13,35,000. This is with effect from 1st July till the 6th of September, that is today. Furthermore, the black flames of such detected vehicles were removed following the fine imposed upon them. In the light of the above, the Shillong Traffic Police would like to appeal to all the vehicles owners to refrain from using the black flames on the safety glasses, windscreens, and side glasses of their vehicles, and if so, to kindly remove the same. The drive against the use of black flames, including other MB Act violations, shall continue, and stringent actions will be taken against the violators. So our team is working very hard every day under the leadership of our SP Traffic, his additional SP and DYSP, and all his in charge of Shillong Traffic. Yes, among these 1,788, about 30 vehicles belong to ML01. So of course, among those ML05 also there's government vehicles. So we are not looking with a private or government anything that is using black flame tinted glass. We remove them all. As of now, we have been directed that see all the ministers, all the MLA are allowed to retain one vehicle use tinted glass. Not much we have got the direction. The rest not.
How many places this checking is going on total? How many places?
Checking is by all the 7 traffic branches, right from Molai, Limdingri, Laban, Sadar, Limkra, Rancha, and Mararating. Of course, the highest always is Molai and Mararating. Those are the two maximum they got remove this tinted glass. No, as per the direction, we are allowed to. They said there will be allowed only one. That is their official vehicles. So the other vehicles they are not. So we are following that as per the direction from the senior. We have issued a press release a couple of times earlier, and I hope they should understood. And of course, as far as we know, it's all these tinted glasses has been fixed earlier, not a newly one. So I believe now that it's not available in the shops, the black film or the new one. No, as of now we are checking in all the vehicles. We have not done. First, let we complete all the checking in the road. Then later on, we'll go to the shops also. As of now, we say what we got direction is all the ministers and all MLA are allowed to retain one vehicle use this black flame or tinted. The other no. I repeat again, we got a direction that only ministers and MLA are allowed to retain to use one tinted black flame. Otherwise, other category are not.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya